In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PDF from Gmail to Google Drive, an essential skill for organizing and managing your digital documents. Whether you're working on a project, keeping track of important files, or just like to maintain a clutter-free inbox, this task can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right in and learn how to do it efficiently. First, you'll want to start by opening your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where the PDF you need to save is located. Once you're in your inbox, take a moment to locate the email that contains the PDF file you want to transfer to Google Drive. This is often the most time-intensive step, especially if your inbox is overflowing with emails. You can use Gmail's search feature to quickly find emails with PDF attachments, which should save you some time. After you've found the email, open it to access the PDF file attachment. Hover your mouse over the PDF thumbnail and you'll notice a small Google Drive icon appear. This icon is a shortcut that allows you to save the file directly to your Google Drive without the hassle of downloading it to your computer first. Click on the Google Drive icon and a small menu will pop up. This menu presents you with options regarding how you'd like to save your file. Next, you'll see an option labeled Organize in this menu. Click on this to proceed. At this point, you are directing Google Drive to give you options for storing or categorizing your PDF. Organizing your files is critical for efficient file retrieval later on. Trust me, setting up a good organizational system within your drive can save you a great deal of time in the future. Now you're going to select the folder where you want to store the PDF. If you already have a designated folder for related documents, simply click on it. If you don't, you might consider creating a new folder to keep similar files all in one easily accessible place. Remember, organizing your documents now can prevent a headache later. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking on the Move button. This action finalizes the transfer of your PDF from Gmail to the chosen folder within your Google Drive. Once you click Move, your file is safely stored and can be accessed anytime you need it from any device connected to your Google account. And that concludes this straightforward guide on saving a PDF from Gmail to Google Drive. Practice this a couple of times and soon it will become second nature. Having your important documents stored securely in Google Drive is not only convenient but also offers peace of mind knowing they are backed up and accessible whenever you need them. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy organizing!